She laid on the ground.
Oh, the car.
Yeah.
It was there. It was like right as he was coming with the trailer, so it was about time to go. But I was like, damn.
But it seemed like last year when Hope locked his keys up, then we all ended up pulling out lawn chairs.
We should spend the night.
We should have spent the night. Yeah. But that was our plan. We was gonna spend the night in Savannah. But once you locked your keys and we all, by then we were like, we just going home. Just F it, we going home.
I had so much fun down there.
So much fun in Savannah.
Kevin, but to see you on that little big ass chair with your feet kicked up. Epic, dog. Epic.
Hey, you gotta have.
I had some moments with you, motherfucker.
You gotta have some shit, man. Hey, you know.
But really, I don't like none of you motherfuckers.
All right, it's story
Here we go.
Papa Slappy, would you please tell us a story? Please, huh? Please.
All right, children. Let Slappy Adventures tell you a little story. You guys ready?
Yeah, we ready.
All right, here we go.
Once upon a time,
Teresa was with me.
Yeah, Teresa was in there.
She was in the other church sleeping.
That's my rental. I was your rental there.
That's right.
You mine tonight.
That's right.
I done flipped that shit. But really, I don't like none of you motherfuckers. I love y'all, man. I love y'all. I love y'all for real. Yeah, I love y'all. You too, ham on me.
Thank you.
We done had our time.
So, we'll probably look at what?
I guess end of May. Gotta be the very 1st of June because y'all ain't gonna go back to back. Take a week off.
But I tell you what, I'm gonna save all my shit.
But y'all got 4 days for Essence? Thursday, Friday?
Sunday, and Monday.
So y'all just doing a long weekend. Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
We're gonna leave it Wednesday. We check in on Thursday.
That's what it seemed like we was leaving on
we're gonna leave on Wednesday. Spend the night somewhere and then going in on Thursday.
Essence is when?
Hey, but look,
June 30th.
Louisiana.
June 30th.
Yeah, we'll check out on June 30th.
I'm gonna get y'all my boy number down there.
so the end of June.
He a little bit, he's shorter
Yeah,
than me.
he good to go to end
But
of
he got a
May.
fucking
Yeah,
ego.
3 weeks.
Big. No.
Shorter than
Yeah, I didn't even
Shorter
realize that
than me.
trip was not
But he,
as long as I was thinking.
but if y'all need something, he can help y'all out.
We're gonna leave on Wednesday.
Unless y'all wanna do it later in the year,
Okay.
like August or September. I try to do 2 trips a year, so I gotta have something, before July and then after July.
But see,
So let me ask you this.
that's St.
Are we
Augustine.
even?
I won't try to make that. But
August what?
Are we
St.
even?
Augustine.
Are we even going to entertain?
Galveston, Texas, for that long
I might
star
do that.
rally.
That was in October too.
Are we going to even entertain the thought of Key West again or no?
Let's trade it in for something else.
That's cool with me.
I done did it 5
You
times,
say you gonna
so
do Galveston, right?
I would like to do Galveston, Texas.
I done seen.
Well, it's a long star rally. It's right after.
But you coming back to Nashville?
No, you ain't.
I'm talking about in the winter. You ain't coming back to all that?
Texas, we gonna say.
It's gonna be hot.
Oh, you coming through New Orleans? Louisiana?
No, we going Birmingham and
I like it.
going south down Birmingham. 20.
That's why I fuck with them because I don't know shit.
Louisiana. No, we going down out 40. We gonna be
Going 20 and out 40.
We going 20 and out 40. Yeah, we going 59 in Birmingham down towards New Orleans. But we gonna be going down 10. Going across the.
But see, when we was going up around that month, you fucked me up when we was going up to the hill.
Yeah.
You fucked me up. You sit down with the map and said, we're gonna cut across the middle. We're gonna cut the corner off.
Oh yeah.
When you tell me we're gonna cut the corner off,
2 days.
Go buy some map.
I seen so much shit down there.
Windmill.
I called them back. If you don't have the
but then when I met before, you know my something to do.
man, I
supposed to go this way. He supposed to go this way. No, we ain't supposed to go no way. He just follow me, damn it, shit.
That's how I was on the back of the golf cart. Because the sun was hitting me and it was after the beach.
Oh my God, I still ain't got my color back.
I knew it.
I she was looking like a mama. Oh, damn, you look like Geraldine back here. You on vacation.
He was like, what's wrong? And I was like, this golf cart ain't got no roof. It's
ain't no nothing.
But I was like, y'all know how Chris is. Man, I was mad as hell for no reason.
Just mad. Just mad.
Why this golf cart ain't going no faster? We just up the street. Like we are literally just up the street.
Well, I tell you, you ain't never rode on a golf cart till you done rode on that fucking golf cart with Woody. You can hear it. Man, I said, goddamn, boy, it got some more gas. Then that thing, you know, oh yeah, do it. Everybody sit there. I said, Woody, I can hear it, man.
Put your foot off of that damn thing, Woody.
Yeah.
I said, damn, Woody, stop. He said, I'm on the brake. I said, stop, Woody. He said, I'm on the brake. We both stuck our foot up like. I said, oh shit, we better run the back of the car. We both put our foot on the ground like.
I'm so glad he okay now, but he is the perfect person to have got attacked with a raccoon.
Hey, Woody went camping. When we left, he went to the base to go camping. Now, they already got rain and all kind of stuff in the forecast, so we had a typhoon, and he done cooked the damn steak in his clothes and went to sleep, and the raccoons attacked his ass. The raccoons attacked him. He took his frying pan, was beating them off. He took his damn steak. I was gonna have that for breakfast.
He stole from him.
He said I was gonna have that piece for breakfast.
He got a video. He said he had to go sleep up under the bridge.
Up on the bridge.
He had to go sleep up under the bridge.
He said, I ain't get no sleep last night. I said, it don't sound like that.
He was with the troubleshooters.
But see, that's what you get. That's what you get for fucking around with Duncan.
Right.
He wanted to stay right back with.
See, Hambone don't know Duncan. If you did, boy.
That motherfucker, he don't.
Is he worse than Woody?
No. This, I tell you,
He on a different
all the
level.
way down there. He's instead of riding with us, he gonna stay one step ahead.
Always.
Oh, always.
Always.
Yeah.
Shit, 3.
Y'all staying in Miami, we staying in Homestead. Y'all get to Key West on Monday, we gonna be there on Tuesday. Like, it's always like
But then he texting talking about. He texted talking. My partner down there. He said my partner down there got a helicopter. I'm gonna fly a helicopter when I get there.
I was like, am I ever gonna meet this dude? Because every stop he was supposed to be there, but he didn't live.
Look at, he's speechless.
You got
Go ahead and ask the question, Hambone.
With the tutu, with the.
Is that
with his white clothes.
He said he in Key West. That's a light off. Hambone said, what's he got on?
No, I say Duncan had a good time down there.
Oh
He had a
shit.
good time.
Duncan had a grand.
He already had plans for next
I
year.
want to say.
He had a good time.
He going next year.
Oh, I bet it.
Hey,
He gonna let his hair down.
But see, I was thinking it was just a gay thing. But it ain't nothing but motherfuckers that like to get together, be free.
like my man.
Live out your fantasy for
Like
a
my
week.
man's old lady explained to us when we was at the swimming
What
pool.
was that swimming pool? That was
She said it's 75% gay people there.
no. She said it was 75% swingers.
Right.
Yeah.
I can see that.
But
She said they in there.
yeah, but she said I'd just like to walk around naked.
That's what she said.
And then you remember what they said to me? Oh, we got you in the picture. You in the picture.
Yeah.
And then I had to look. How to go into my little Rolodex? And I said, oh yeah, I remember.
He was like this way, you throwing her boobs away.
No.
That first
Hey, Hope was on down there.
That first like a kid.
I never disrespected
And I'm like, Hope, our ride is gone. Like, it's just us.
I never
He
disrespected
still got his camera out. Hold on.
Hey!
I saw it.
I said, we don't have a ride right now.
But see, I had
I was recording TV.
Johnny on.
Yeah, titties everywhere.
You had your leg on a fella nice. Remember that?
Oh, yeah, I like that picture.
There they are.
Dude, but look,
As in the hotel?
No, they stayed at the
I can't
hotel.
figure out how to stay
He
on.
felt attacked.
They stayed at the hotel.
Is that the black guy?
He's a black guy. Two brothers.
Oh, brother, yeah.
I took a picture the day before we met him.
And she said stuff.
That's a picture.
I didn't see it. I was like, the rope was stuck up his ass. Oh, God. It was hanging out.
Now, yeah, dude.
I do.
They did it every night. They had something different. These girls everywhere come back. They had something different every night.
And they're sweet. His husband was talking to his kids.
Yeah, they sweet in here like this. Their husbands black.
You gonna get naked?
My family take it.
Hey, you ain't gotta work nothing that. They wouldn't work that down that shit.
Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. All right.